is Lorenzo Rodriguez. I've been here about a year and 4 months, and I'm a tester. I actually love coming to work. I love coming here. To come to a place where you can feel like you're welcome and not so stressed out, not so overwhelmed. It's really wonderful here. Here, I think I could build a career. Other companies, it was kind of hard to. It just didn't give me the opportunity. It got to the point where it took me 6 years to be a lead. I got here 1 year, less than a year, and I'm a lead in my own area. The workload they put on me was so much. I would really come home thinking about work. I'll wake up thinking about work. Not only that, not just the work itself, but the atmosphere. Some people were not really the positive people. There was always just giving negative feedback. Here, I go home peacefully. Everything's good here, so there's nothing I go home and stressing home about. I got a safety net with these people around here where they can just like, you know what, just slow it down, trace your steps, and let's do it right. I can honestly say, out of all the job opportunities I had in my life, I can see myself retiring even from here. I'm glad to switch to Super. Absolutely, tremendously glad that I switched to Super.